Hi, this is Chinmayi and I just wanted to pop in and tell you guys thank you. It's been a little over a year since I actually started this channel, and I will have to mention the people with whom I have been presenting these videos to you each week, twice a week actually. First and foremost, let me start with Manoj YD Manoj, and he is the person who is recording these videos audio wise and video wise. He's shooting them. He is an on location sound engineer. He goes about, he's the next Rasool Pukutin making, in my opinion, and he's a lovely boy, extremely talented, and he comes and shoots whenever he has the time. The next gentleman is of course the Mr. Karthik, and the guy I call GK, Ganesh Karthikeyan. So he is an associate director who's going to be, he's poised to make his first film, and the very important superstar is Radha Sridhar. Radha is a girl who's been editing my videos from day one. The day she stepped into our house on the 12th of September 2017, I got her and made her the guinea pig of my pore cleansing method. And when she did try this skincare, her skin cleared up and it was really good. Of course, I am sure she is not using any sunscreen now while she is shooting away somewhere. And she is also a very talented editor, and I am sure she is going to become a really famous person in the near future, winning national awards and everything else, in my opinion. This is a really small team that's putting together all this content. Everything that's been featured on the channel so far has been bought by me. Some people thought that my trip to Korea was sponsored by somebody, but it was not. I went on my own joy. Those of you who followed my Instagram page know about it. So I just want to thank you guys. It's been a great journey doing this and learning about skincare. I've shared from whom I've learned a lot about skincare and from all the chemists as well, and it has led me also to a very new and interesting business plan in my head, which I'm very passionate about. More about it in the forthcoming days. Until I see you next time, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.